Tree Mechanic Benjamin coming at you again. This time we're looking at our brake pads ordered from the dealership. I searched on the dealer website and just took the first brake pad kit I found. My mileage may vary because looking back at the Car Care Nuts video, he said that if it has AZ in the part number, they're the economy pads. Evidently they can be noisier. So we'll see how they do. Yeah, you have the 4 for the inner and outer for left and right. And then you have your packet of grease, which we can see where it was applied before. Anti-squeal to take those shims and give them some lubrication and keep them quiet when this whole assembly is shifting about, as the car is doing the very hard work of stopping. Now, get back into our, I've also swapped my gloves, because I want to, anything that touches that nasty grease I want to throw away. Getting to our third person perspective again, where I need my 2 hands. Next thing, probably the easiest part of the job, getting the rotor back on. I have cleaned with a wire brush. I've got the big rust off of there. So this will just slide on and fit around the hub. And optionally, you can see that this it caught pretty well, but something might jostle it loose, so you can put one lug nut back on for a temporary way to keep it in place. Now, break open this nasty looking grease. Yeah. And we are reusing the old shim plates, and we shall reestablish the grease in about the same spots where it came before. So brush off some of that old chunk. And spread on the new stuff. And we'll need to use this for left and right, so use it economically and wisely. Smear it on all around. And here, yes, not only left and right, but both sides of both discs as well. I might have been a little bit profligate in my usage of the grease thus far. Hopefully I don't run out. Or they have another packet hanging around somewhere in here. And here is where I might switch my gloves back. Things didn't age too well, did they? Switching for the purpose that I wish not to get the grease on this surface, the braking surface. So, have my clean hands here handle it, and it'll be positioned thusly. And so we want our wear indicator to mount to the top. So we'll do that now. Push down until you have your secure straight up and down seat. There we are. For getting these shims just popped securely into place, it's pretty easy. And you find your torque plate here and get this whole assembly nicely, neatly down inside. Rinse and repeat with other side.